Greetings, YouTube viewer. This is Lindsay, your friendly neighborhood webmaster for Swanson Christian Products, and this is your faithbands feature. We're going to try and do something to feature faithbands. I'm going to try and get creative. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we're sure going to try. Here's a few of our faithbands, our original set. We've got the Holy Spirit symbol, music, the Jesus fish, the butterfly, think new creation, one of the Plan of Salvation crosses, a foot, go and tell the good news, a church building for obvious reasons, and this is a Bible. These are pretty awesome. You can wear them, you can bend them, and they go back to their original shape. There it is. Looks a little crazy, just a rubber band. But then you take it off and it looks like that. Well, what do you do with it? You unfold it and there it is, back in its original shape. These are popular all throughout the country in several different shapes, but these are inspirational shapes. They're for sharing faith, for starting up conversations about Jesus. It's a wonderful product. It's a wonderful evangelizing tool. It's cool. It's neat. The kids love it. Here's a little intro to it. We'll show you more as we go along, but here's your introduction. Hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions or stories, please post them in our comments section, either on our website, faithbands.org, or here on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.